nobody's, criticisms or nobody's thinking could be an hindrance in my growth. I will not let happen that. Hello friends, I am CS Jaspreet. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another special fun Saturday video. I hope you all are chilling and enjoy at your homes on this weekend. Today we will be talking about that one thing that helps people speak English confidently. But before that, if you're someone new to my channel, viewing me for the first time, hi, I'm Jaspreet. I make videos for CA, CS, CMA students as well as members, and I make a motivational quote video on Monday, a tips and tricks video for Wednesday, and a fun video like this one on Saturday. So feel free to check the content I create and do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and feel free to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you get notified. So usually I get comments on the way I speak English. I want to discuss that one thing that will help you also to speak English confidently. Now you must be knowing few people who speak so good English without any fear. They are not afraid to speak this language. But there are people who are so afraid to speak English. They are really afraid. They have that fear of speaking wrong language. They have that fear that maybe we could use like wrong tenses, wrong grammar. So what is that one thing that is different in those people who don't fear speaking this language? And that is their attitude. Attitude towards learning matters a lot. I know so many people who don't bother about what others will say, and they are the ones who grow a lot in their lives because they are the ultimate learners. There is just one thing that hinders every person's growth, and that is log kya sochenge. And this way we restrict ourselves. We don't try new things. We always like to stay in our comfort zone, and in the same way we fear speaking English, that what if we spoke wrong and people made fun of us. And then there are people, I have also seen and met such people who speak completely wrong English, like they use wrong tenses, they use wrong grammar, but the way they speak with confidence is something to learn from them. Maybe they're new to the language and they're just trying to speak it, but what is the learning part from them is that they are trying, they might be wrong, but they are not fearing people. They're not fearing कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, but they're coming out in public and they don't fear people laughing on them. So what? Nobody is perfect. Nobody knows everything, and especially the people who laugh on you, they are the ones who know nothing. Just remember this. People who criticize, people who always keep finding flaws in you, always tell you what you lack, what you don't have, how bad you are, how much you have failed, they are the ones who have done nothing in their lives but just criticisms. So don't bother about such people. I have seen people who have that curiosity to learn, and what makes them go towards it is their nature. It's their attitude of not bothering about the public, of not bothering about what people are saying about them. See, even if you speak right English, wrong English, bad English, or you do whatever in your lives, you will always have such people who will keep on commenting on you and commenting on your work and commenting on whatever you are doing. So you need not bother about them. And that is something that always restrains people from speaking English. कि सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, what if we spoke wrong English? They will make fun of us, and nobody wants to become a joke. But by fearing such people, you are restraining your own growth. By fearing such people, you will never grow in your life. You will just be closed in your comfort zone and you will never be able to come out of it. So this is one thing that always, pulls people back from speaking good English or speaking English confidently, because they think in their minds that what if we spoke wrong and what if, people laughed on us. Now, people who speak English confidently, they have that attitude of whatever people may say, we don't bother. We will speak English and we will keep on learning. And that is how you will actually end up at the stage where you will speak, totally correct English with proper verbs, proper tenses, and, correct vocabulary. But for that, you will have to start speaking it confidently without fearing what people will say. I need not tell you how much important it is in today's time to speak in English, because see, in future while dealing with foreign clienteles or while dealing with people from outside the country, you need to know English. English is basic language to communicate with those people also who come from such countries. In their country also their national language is not English, but they learn English to communicate with other countries' people. It's like a basic language which all of us know, which all of us should understand. Even in India, when you visit South, you must be aware of English, because you don't know their mother tongue and they don't know your mother tongue. So while communicating with the staff of the hotel, or while communicating with your tour guides, you need to know English. If you will know English, then only you will be able to communicate with them. So this is how, and this much how is important learning English and speaking it confidently. But you can only achieve that confidence in you once you stop fearing the people, once you carry that attitude that yes, I can speak it and I am speaking good English, and even if I speak wrong, it's totally fine. I don't bother the people who laugh on me, and this should be your attitude. And trust me, I have seen such people who carry this attitude of I don't bother what the world is saying, and they grow a lot in their lives, whether in their personal lives, whether in their careers. So this is how we should pursue life also, that we will grow and we will not bother about the people who always keep on criticizing and putting us down. We will not bother about them. We will not fear from doing new things, because see, living in your comfort zone, you will never grow. And living in your comfort zone is very, very easy, but you only grow when you do difficult tasks, when you do something that is out of the box. People who grow, they think out of the box. So for you to speak English confidently, you need to carry that attitude that yes, I can speak good English, and I don't bother people who would laugh on me, or people who would make fun of me. You will meet such people on every level of your life, not just in speaking English. So what will you do? You'll stop doing your things? You'll stop growing? No. Such people should never ever hinder your growth. So if you want to be someone speaking English confidently, just start speaking it. Carry that attitude that I don't bother what people are saying. I will speak and I will keep on learning and keep on improving. For all the people who speak English confidently or fluently today, once started like this only. Nobody is perfect. Nobody knows everything. Every person who starts speaking English in the beginning or in the initial stages, they do speak wrong English. They do speak, with wrong tenses, wrong grammar, but they didn't bother. They didn't bother what people would say, what society will say, or what my friends will say. They just kept on speaking and kept on learning day by day, and then they reached that point where they could speak correct English confidently and fluently. And it's not something that you will reach by reading one book or doing one course. This is a day-to-day process. This is everyday learning. You learn every day. You learn from everyone around you. They may be your kids, they may be your parents, they may be your colleagues. It's like everyday learning process. You learn new things, you learn new words, you learn new sentences, right? And that is how you reach that point where you feel, oh, now I'm confident. Whatever I say, whatever I speak is correct. The process didn't stop there only. It's an ongoing thing. Keep on learning. Be a learner, right? In all aspects of life. But in speaking English, yes, you should be a learner. Keep on improving your English. Keep on listening to people who speak English. Keep on reading good books, so that every day you learn new things. Every day you learn new sentences. And now in COVID, you must have seen people, our seniors, our parents who were not well versed with technologies, but they are doing webinars, they are conducting Zoom meetings, and still you could find them struggling with mute, unmute and all the other things. Even I sometimes get confused with all these technologies, but this is the need of hour. In COVID, this is something we all learned, and this is what we have to learn for our futures, for our future generations. We cannot be like, nahi, I cannot do this, I will not use this. Then how will you grow? And that is what I'm trying to tell you, that while learning or speaking English, you should have that attitude in you. I may be wrong, but that should not stop me from learning English. That should not stop me from speaking English. And once you overcome that fear of what people will say, what people will think, what if I spoke wrong and people made fun of me, you will realize that how fluently and how confidently you yourself will start speaking English. See, I would just say no one is perfect and nobody is speaking 100% correct English. Like this person speaks like 100% correct tenses, 100% correct verbs or 100% correct grammar. No, it's not possible, and it is the reality. Then why some people are speaking with full confidence and why some people are fearing to speak it? That is where your attitude comes. That is where that attitude matters. I may be wrong, but I will keep on speaking English. Someone's thinking could never hinder my growth. That is how you should think, and that is how you should start speaking English, that nobody's criticisms or nobody's thinking could be an hindrance in my growth. I will not let happen that, right? So for growing, you have to take that attitude, you have to adopt that attitude that I don't bother about what people are saying. I will step out of my comfort zone, I will keep on growing, and I will keep on learning, because you can only grow when you learn. Every person learns something or the other thing new in their lives. Like I told you, COVID taught our parents, COVID taught our seniors, like who were not well versed with the technologies, with the laptops, with the internets. They all became experts in that, right? Because they learned it. And that is how you should also learn English. And you can. It's not rocket science. Always remember this. It is not rocket science. It is not something that's impossible. Oh, I cannot do this. No, you can do anything. You just have to have that will in you that yes, I can do this. And that is how you should perceive it, and that is how you should start learning and start speaking English confidently. So that's it from my side, and I hope you understood what I tried to make you understand, that nothing matters the most as much your attitude matters. So carry that attitude towards life, carry that attitude towards speaking English as well. If you found the video informative, do hit the like button and do leave a comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and follow me on other social handles as well, that is Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and LinkedIn. All the links are in the description box below. Bye.